What's up? It is your girl Joey Lisette, and for those of you that are joining me again, welcome. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this soft, easy, everyday glam. Okay, this is so beginner friendly. It's scary how easy it is. We're using one eyeshadow palette, no foundation. Let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the Gots to Be glue. All these scratch marks, it's like I'm beating myself up in my sleep. So I'm just brushing it through my brows, back and forth, back and forth. And then with this side, I'm just going to brush them up and in place. Careful not to get it on your skin, because when it dries, it'll look weird. Let me tell you, this cold weather, I woke up and it was 46 degrees in Florida. In Florida. I'm gonna NYX micro brow pencil. So I'm just gonna draw a line right here where the brow starts. Like so. Same to the top. This had me looking up flights to Turks and Caicos all morning. And I'm just blending out, like so. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D concealer, and this is Tan 158. I'm going to carve out my brows. And I chose a concealer that is close to my skin tone because this is a everyday look. I didn't want anything too bright. This is perfect for work. I'm going to take it and just apply it all over. I'm going to use my brush. This is, what is it? Is there no name on this? There's no name on it. It's a brush that looks like this. It's like a flat, fluffy brush. Just gonna press this in all over the eyelid. Very natural looking base. So usually I use like a bright Louise or like my super light concealer. Breaking out my Makeup by Mario palette. Finally got my hands on this palette after it being sold out forever. Every time I go, it's always sold out. Or there's no names, like matte 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so there's no names. I think I'm gonna start off with this color right here. Okay, color payoff is there. Pigmented, applies very smoothly. It is very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna take these two. I'm gonna mix them. Put it right below here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. So now I need to soften the harsh edge up. I'm beginner, ladies. Grab this palette. All you need is this palette. All the neutral colors are here, you know, because I know when you're first beginning to do makeup, it can seem a little scary it may seem a little scary to play in color. Get this. Oh my gosh, the color is beautiful. The pigment is stunning. The payoff is amazing. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna take these two colors. I'm gonna buff out the harsh edge. This looks so... That is so gorgeous. Look where I'm holding my brush, kind of towards the end, because I'm really working on buffing out the harsh edge. One of my things I need to work on when applying eyeshadow, even to me and my clients, making sure it is very well blended. I don't want anyone to see where my eyeshadow begins or ends. So I really gotta take my time on making sure it is buffed out completely. The brush I use to, you know, put this color in, just whatever's left over, I'm applying it here. Same thing too, just kind of reinforce that. All right, now we're gonna go in with the Kat Von D liner. What am I looking at? How did I really just hold this up and say liner? I'm going back in with the Kat Von D concealer. And I'm just following the natural shape, like where, kind of like you see this line here with my nose, like right here. That's the shape I'm following. I am going to take this color here, mixed with this. I'm gonna apply it where we cut the crease. Such a soft everyday look. And also noticing I am blending out that concealer, the concealer line. I don't want to see it. Same thing here. Go in here and apply all over and blend out that concealer line. Quick, I want to go back and reinforce over here because I definitely did cover it a little bit. Right in there, reinforce. Taking my Mario liquid liner and starting from the center of the eye here. We're just going straight across. The precision on this, the pigment. Not finished yet. We're gonna clean this up because I want it a little bit sharper. Let me take a makeup wipe. Fix it a little bit because it's a little thick, like I need to. Here we go. I want the eyeliner to like gradually increase. I'm gonna let the glow on my eye dry for a little bit. And for mascara, I use the Max Facts mascara. Let's get started on the face. I forgot to prep the skin. Usually I use my primer and my Bionic Glow or my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. I'm not gonna use all of that today because I am using a skin tint. This is the everyday makeup look. And I know for me, wearing makeup every day, I'm not going to want to wear foundation every day. So I feel like a skin tint would be so much better. So I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denona Skin Glass Hydrating Primer Serum. And I'm gonna apply it. And this is just gonna give me that glowy, dewy, beautiful look. And because this is moisturizer, for my ladies that love applying makeup with their fingers, you can absolutely go ahead and use your fingers. I will always use a brush because that's the person I am, but you can use your fingers. That's not a big deal. Now I'm going to take my Kat Von D concealer and I'm just going to apply it over the pigmentation. And I'm just going to blend that in. I don't want to go too heavy with the highlighting and contour because this is an everyday look. And also too, I feel like when it comes down to highlighting and contour, it can seem a bit much. It makes it harder to achieve. Like in the morning, if you got to go to work, you're like, dang, I go through all of this contour, all of that. I need like 3 different concealers plus my bronzer stick. It defeats the purpose of being everyday makeup. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury press powder and I am just going to press that. So in sticking with today's theme, I'm going to be using my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt. Remember in my underpainting video where I showed you where to put the contour, it's the same thing. The tip of the ear, bring it down. On the forehead, nothing crazy because my forehead is going to be covered anyway. For the blush, all right, let's just go ahead and blend. And I'm gonna blend it right above where I put the soft sculpt. Center my nose, give me that little sunburnt look. I feel like this side needs a little more. Also, if you do not want to anything on the bottom eye, I know some people just like to do the top eye, so if you don't want to do anything on the bottom eye, go ahead and skip to the lip gloss part. We're gonna do the bottom eye. So I'm gonna take my Rimmel London why I say it like that, my Rimmel London gel pencil in the color nude, and I'm going to line the waterline. Go back in with my Makeup by Mario palette. Now it's time for the lips. For the lips, honestly, I'm debating. I'm really debating if I should do like a nude pink or a nude beige. Let's try the nude pink first. Take my brown lip liner. Let me do my hair and I will be right back.